Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a new branch in GitHub repository. So this is really simple. So first of all, let me just go to my folder from where I just uploaded those files to this repository. So we're going to create a branch over here, and this our branch name will be my new branch. So let's go back to our project location. So right now we're just going to click here, then click show more option and click here open Git bash here. There you can see. So let me just make it bigger and let me zoom in. So first of all, we're going to say here new branch, then press enter. There you can see there is only one branch, which is master. So we're going to create a new branch. So in order to create a new branch, we need to say there git branch -c. After that, we need to give our branch name. Yes, our branch name will be my_new_branch. And if we press enter, there you can see this command is done. But if we just refresh our GitHub, you won't see any other branch here. So you will only see the new branch when you comment something in that branch. So let's just go back. So here, first of all, we need to select this branch, my new branch, is from the master branch. So in order to select this branch, we need to say git checkout, then our branch name, which is my new branch. Then press enter. There you can see switch to branch, my new branch, and it is also written here, my new branch. So if we just send here git branch, press enter, there you can see my new branch is selected. So let's say we want to upload something to our new branch. So let me just add a more text file here. Let me just click here new, then text document. Let's say new file .txt. So let's commit those changes in our new branch. So in order to make changes in the new branch, first of all, we need to say git add space dot, then press enter. Then we need to set here key commit -m and a message. We need to write a message. Oh, new update just arrived. This is just a message, and if we now press enter, it will show that we have just changed on file here. After that, in order to push those changes, we need to say git push origin head. Then press enter, and our push is complete in the new branch. So right now, if we just go to our GitHub, there you can see my new branch had recent pushes 3 seconds ago. If we just refresh and click here, there you can see we have one more branch. If we just select that branch, there you can see we have some files and also new file.txt, which we just added right now. So this is how you can add new branch and push code to the new branch. I hope this was easy for you to follow. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.